Are you looking much more older than your actual age? Then, no need of undergoing these intensive and stressful skincare treatment, because here it comes, for the first time ever. Retinol and Ceramides infused face serum. Infused with ceramides that promote cellular functions. And 0.3% retinol, which is super helpful to fight against signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Apply and dab a pea-sized amount of serum on the most affected area of face and neck. The molecules get evenly spread on the affected area to fight against fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin texture, gradually making your skin look younger, attractive and glowing. Get one soon now. For more details, please visit our website www.natureNovaHerbals.com. Link is given in the description. Thank you.